Okay, I'm installing the valves, the springs, and these clips here on this Nissan 2.5 engine, 4-cylinder. Again, I got my C clamp like I had on the removal, and it's got a bushing up under here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a bushing taped to that end of the clamp. And what I did is I cut an oxygen sensor in half. This is what I used to remove it with, but I used the other half because I cut a little bit shorter, and it has more space here to get those little clips that you see inside of there. I hold it on like I did these.